Thankfully, we're not in a lockdown, but we are not in a great situation when it comes to COVID.
Progress in the fight against COVID-19 appears to be 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Ashley Rowe. The race to vaccinate Western New York is being affected by a rising rate of infections, especially among younger people. The state says Western New York's positive test rate yesterday was over 6%. That is lower than the day before, but the rolling average continues to climb well above the statewide average. Tonight, Jeff Russak takes a closer look at some of the reasons behind these rising rates.
Millions of vaccines are in the arms of New Yorkers, but Western New York's positivity rate is rising again. Western New York's rolling 7-day average is over 6%, up significantly from February and March.
We are in what we believe to be a new wave.
Health officials say the spread is mainly among young people, most new cases coming from people younger than 40.
We're seeing an increase, a number of kids under the age of 20 every week that are testing positive.
One health expert says it's still too early to have students fully return to schools.
I still think we're going to have a struggle over the next couple of weeks. We're going to see the impact of spring break. People have been traveling.
The county also credits the rise in COVID cases among kids to youth sports and at least 4 variants of the virus spreading in the community. Now, despite this, Buffalo Public Schools says they still plan on moving forward with their reopening plan later this month and into May. COVID-19 hospitalizations have risen by 50% in Erie County over the past week, but deaths are down, especially among the older population.
And thankfully, we have the vaccine. If we didn't have the vaccine, I'd hate to know what these numbers are right now.
Erie County Executive Mark POLONCARZ is asking for people to keep taking this virus seriously.
People are sick and tired of COVID. I know a lot of people have been vaccinated. We're seeing cases primarily among individuals who haven't been vaccinated.
In March, we've seen a significant decline in deaths compared to February and January.
Anyone over the age of 16 is now eligible to schedule a vaccine appointment. Jeff Russak, 7 Eyewitness.